Hey creepy critters, it's Aunt Gore and welcome to a special episode of Getting Ready with Aunt Gore. We're going to Birds of Prey, which I've been extremely excited for. Suicide Squad was slightly disappointing. I mean, I'm guessing most of you will agree with me. But Margot Robbie as Harley Quinn was like the only like redeeming value of that movie. So Birds of Prey I'm really excited for, and so I figured I'd do a Harley Quinn look for you guys since we're going to see that movie tonight and we're going dancing and stuff later. So I'm just gonna look like a weirdo all day, so that'll be fun. But and yeah, cat shirt is Travis, if you hadn't guessed already.
I've like lost my sponge.
Oh no, it's right here.
Oh, there it is. Hooray.
So anyways, I'm gonna show you the eye look mostly. I'm not gonna show you my full face. Like I said, you can go check out my other makeup videos if you want to see how I do my full face. And we'll have links for all of the makeup I use as well. So I guess I'll go ahead and get started. I'm gonna start doing my eyes. Also, I'll show you my eyes and the lipstick I'm gonna use, and as well as what I'm gonna use for the heart tattoo. So, okay, I'm gonna start doing my eyes. And like every other video, I start out with the MAC Pro Longwear Paint Pot in Bear Studio. If you can see that. I'll have a link. And again, I am not sponsored by anybody. This is just what I use and what I like to use, so not sponsored. So some of the pictures I've seen, like she did like a blue and a pink look. So that's kind of like what I'm going for. And then like it was kind of smeared, so I'll do that too at the end. But I'm gonna do mostly what I do for all of my looks, at least the base of it, and then I'll do the blue and pink on each side. So I'm gonna start out with my Blue Blood palette, and I'm going to use Celebrity Skin for my crease. Oh, by the way, I'm wearing a Batman shirt. Batman! I thought that was appropriate. And my Catwoman ears. Batman! I personally like the DC universe better than the Marvel universe, but as of lately, the DC movies have not been nearly as good as the Marvel movies. So I've heard really good things about Birds of Prey, so I'm really, really hoping it's good. We might do a review as well if that's something anybody wants to see.
I will probably do a review anyway.
Anyway. And then I'm gonna take, I hate saying this because I have no idea how you're supposed to say it. I'm really dumb. The sparkly white one on the blue book. I'm gonna take that on my brow bone. Okay, now I'm gonna do blue on the one side and pink on the other. So for the blue, I'm going to use the Ocean Ice in the Blue Blood palette. And I'm just gonna do that just on my lid. I think on this side. Now I'm gonna take the Conspiracy palette and I'm going to use Trisha for my pink side. Okay. Now I'm gonna do my eyeliner and then I'll cut and do the rest of my face. And then I'll show you how to do the rest of the look. So, let's do my eyeliner real fast. Not that I really need the eyeliner, but I hardly ever do an eye look without eyeliner. With a winged line, yeah. So I'm using the ColourPop liquid liner. I don't even know, what is it called? Just like, I feel like it has like a name like BFF or something. I have no idea. We'll have a link. But they're black. I think it's numero uno, but I'm not positive. Whatever their black is.
I have a ColourPop mascara that's BFF as well. So that
yeah, I think, but it just on this it just says LA. But I swear it's like their BFF line. I don't know. Anyways, okay, so I'm gonna start doing my wing liner, and I swear, like seriously, I will do soon. Okay, now I'm gonna do the rest of my face and then we'll come back and I will finish the eye, like smearing a little bit, and do the heart stamp and my lips. So, see you in a minute. Hey, I'm back. So, I think first I'm going to do like a little bit of a smear of the blue and the pink. Because like a lot of the images like had that, I don't know. I haven't seen the movie yet. So I'm gonna do that and then I'll show you what I'm using for the heart tattoo and then we'll do my lips and then we'll be done and then I'll have to go do my pigtails and all that and we'll have pictures afterwards to show you of my full look. I think, yeah, so I'll start with that. I'll take the pink I used, which was the Trisha in the Conspiracy palette, and I'm gonna just like kind of do like a little bit of a smear on the corner. And the pink side. Now I'm gonna do the blue side again. That same blue I was using. Shit, I just fell.
It was just not. It's fine.
Oh, okay. Dropping things. All right. Do the same thing with the blue. Okay, so now I'm going to do the heart tattoo. It's not even quite as big as hers, but it'll do. I'm using the same eyeliner stamp thing I got and I used in the last video, the Bride of Chucky one, and I used that for her mole. And so I'm gonna do the same thing for the eye tattoo, or the cheek tattoo, whatever. I'm just gonna fill it in because trying to restamp in the exact same spot is almost impossible. Didn't quite fill in the middle. There's just a
You
little
don't need
bit.
a tiny bit of help with that, do you?
No, I think I got it.
Because I know it's really small. Trying to do small things on my face sucks.
Okay, that's perfect. Now I'm gonna do my lips. Like, what am I doing now? So for my lips, I'm just gonna line it with a, whatever red lip liner. I found it doesn't matter too much how close, as long as it's close enough. If it's in the same color family, it's usually helpful with, especially with matte lipsticks. It helps keep it in place better, and like if you have like a lipstick that's a little bit less opaque, like that doesn't lay down very well, you don't have to like put so many layers if you've got like a nice base of the color. So I'm just using whatever I don't even know what this one's called because it's so rubbed off, but it's a Kylie Jenner lip liner, but any lip liner will do. And then I'm using like my favorite red lately, and I'm so sad it's almost out. And it was like a Halloween limited edition, I think. I'm not positive. I haven't looked to see if I can find it still online. But it's Wet n Wild's Megalast Liquid Catsuit in Poison Apple. And I think it was just part of their Halloween collection, which I really liked. We had like Witch Please, the green one was really great, and there was an orange one too. I don't remember what it was called, but they were all like shimmery, like metallic matte lipsticks that work so good. Like they last all day. Like I'll eat like a whole meal. The only problem I have sometimes when I eat is I'll get a little bit of lipstick right here on my chin that I have to clean up afterwards. But otherwise, like I don't have to really reapply anything. Like it's all like still there and hasn't moved. So I really like the liquid catsuits. I just wish they would last a little bit longer. Okay, so I'm gonna line my lips real fast. I'm gonna drop it off. I'm gonna take that and build. Okay, now I'm just gonna spray, my setting spray, and then I will go get my hair in pigtails and get dressed. So thanks for watching. Oh, I forgot. I wanted to say a little something since we're doing Harley Quinn. We really enjoy the DC streaming service. Again, not sponsored, but the DC streaming service, especially their TV shows, are really, really good. I mean, at least I personally really enjoy them. What is it? The Doom Patrol is like our favorite, I think. And my other favorite though is the new Harley Quinn cartoon show. That is really, really good. I really like that, and it's really graphic.
The vulgar kind of show.
Yeah, very vulgar for like a cartoon. Yeah, it's really funny, and it's voiced by if you watch The Big Bang Theory, the blonde girl from that is the voice of Harley Quinn, and she's fantastic in it. I think it's hilarious.
The main blonde girl, or
yeah,
or the
Kaylee Cuoco.
Oh, okay, Kelly Cuoco.
Yeah, I can't say her name. I'm sorry. I butcher everybody's name. So yeah, if you can, I definitely recommend the DC streaming service if you like DC stuff, especially their TV shows. And then I think it has like all kinds of movies and stuff like from DC. I think. I don't know.
There's a lot of movies.
Yeah, like a lot of movies and stuff.
I think
the majority of the DC stuff.
I guess I haven't read it through.
Yeah, I know. We haven't looked. We just like mostly just watch the TV shows. That's all we have time for anymore. But yeah. So thanks for watching. I'll probably have another episode up sometime soon. I don't know of what, but I guess we'll find out. Thanks for watching.